Hey everyone, Yash here. Grocery shopping and cooking? Oh, absolutely. It's like a mini adventure every time I step into a grocery store, especially those Indian ones with all the familiar spices and ingredients. Being from a family where everyone loves to cook, I've got this deep rooted appreciation for the vast range of spices we use. It's like playing with colors on a canvas but with flavors. Trader Joe's and Costco are cool and all, but there's something about those Indian grocery stores that just feels like home. Maybe it's the familiarity of the items or just the vibe. Now, when it comes to cooking, I'm all about that spiced up Indian style with a soundtrack to match, of course. My go to dish? Shahi paneer, hands down. Picture this: creamy tomato gravy, chunks of paneer, and some parathas on the side. And you can't forget the tangy sliced onions. They're the game changer. In my kitchen, you'll always find that trusty box of essential spices, a must have in any Indian household. Plus, I'm a sucker for spinach. I'll toss it into just about anything I'm cooking. As for cooking solo versus with company, I'm all for having the kitchen to myself to work my culinary magic. But hey, good company is always welcome, whether it's for some lively conversation or just to vibe along to the music while I'm cooking up a storm. Thanks for watching.